Concept 3, writing functions. So when you are given a situation and you have to write a function based on that situation, your first step is going to be identifying the independent and dependent variables. Then you want to find the amount of increase or decrease, and this is going to be if you have your function in slope-intercept form, right? F of x equals mx plus b. This, the amount of increase or decrease per change, that is going to be your slope. And then the last step is to find the initial value, and that's going to be your y-intercept. Okay. So in this situation, we have a fitness center that charges a $100 initiation fee plus $40 per month. Okay. My independent and dependent variables. My independent variable is going to be the amount of time, right? The number of months that I am going to the fitness center. And then the dependent variable is going to be the total cost, right? That's going to be how much they're charging me to go for that length of time. Okay, so I've got my cost, which I will have as C, right? And then, so my cost is equal to something times the number of months I go plus something. The amount of increase per change, that per is a key word to look for. If it's $40 per month, that's going to be what you're multiplying times m. That's going to be your slope. And then that $100 initiation fee, that's your initial value. So if I went for 1 month, it would be $100 plus that $40 times 1 month. Okay. Another one. Oh, another one that we can't see very well. Okay, so a saleswoman makes $2,000 a month plus a 5% commission on her sales. Okay, the independent variable is going to be her sales, right? Because she could make no sales, she could make $1 million worth of sales. We don't know. All right, so sales is going to be her independent variable. And then the dependent variable is how much money she earns. So we'll say that's her paycheck. Okay, so her paycheck is equal to something times the number of sales she has, and then plus or minus something. Okay, she has a 5% commission on her sales. Okay, commission means you're earning a part of what you're selling. So 5%, we want to write that mathematically as a decimal. So that's going to be 0.05. Let's see if I can make my 5 look different from my S. Not really. Okay, but 0.05 S plus the initial value. So whether she sells 0 things or she sells a whole bunch, she still is going to make her $2,000 just for coming to work. Okay? And so that's my function.